Hey guys, welcome to our video. Okay, you will be asking me why I just told our video. It's all because this app is actually suggested by you guys, and you guys asked me to review this app for the tips, tricks, and hacks in WhatsApp. And this app is actually pretty much really useful, and I love this app, guys. And if you're new to this channel, I'm Larry from Tech and Forever. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to never ever miss our awesome updates. And if you've done that, now let's get into the video. Okay, guys. So about this app, I want to say means this app is freely available in Play Store. You can install this app from the link given in description below and in the first comment section down below. And then guys, this app is totally reliable because it just asks permission for your storage, nothing else. So it's fully reliable and safe, guys. Not even permission to access your WhatsApp account. Okay guys, now moving on to this app, you need to open this app to perform a first trick, that is text to emoji, guys. Now you need to open that option in this app and then type any text you want, which you prefer to be sent to your person who's going to receive. Okay, I'm just type the text and then select a emoji from your keyboard, and then you need to simply click on convert, copy it, and go to the WhatsApp account which you want to send this particular message, and then paste it, then send it, guys. Simple, easy, really easy, guys. Just the process is copy and paste. Now moving on to the second trick. In the same app, open the same app, guys. You need this app for the whole video and this app for every single tips and tricks which you are going to see in this video, guys. Now open this app and then go to text repeater, which is actually a second trick. From the name you know that it's actually repeat text for particular times. Again, type your favorable text and then give number of time to be repeated, and then click on repeat. So there is no repetition limit for this process, guys. And then after clicking repeat, it will be repeated. So for just example, I'm just giving 100 because it is for just for time consumption. And then copy it, go to WhatsApp, paste it, send it. Simple, guys. Again, moving on to the last one trick of this app is simple but unique, crazy. Okay, let me give an introduction of that trick, guys. It's actually sending a blank text, guys. Usually you can't send a blank text through WhatsApp. You can just make it, but you can't send it. So that's a problem here in WhatsApp. So for that you need the same app. Go for blank text, and then you want to, there are some orders, right? 5, 10, 20, 50 and 100 up the top at the header file. Just click 100, which is a maximum level, and after clicking 100 you can turn on that new line option, which actually gives you a vertical blank text. If you don't turn on, it just gives you a horizontal blank text, guide, that's it. And then after clicking it, copy, and same thing, go to WhatsApp and then paste it, then send it, guys. So this is actually the horizontal if you don't turn on the new line. If you turn on that new line option, which I'm going to do right now, I did it. And then now if you click on that 100, again click copy and go to WhatsApp and then paste, then send. It would be like horizontal lines. So just look at it, that's it. Simple, right? Okay, guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to never ever miss our awesome updates. And if you've done that, you'll be having a good day, guys. Bye, let's meet in the next video. Have a great day.